In this video, I'm going to give you 3 reasons why I got the DJI Osmo Mobile SE. And if you stick to the end of the video, I'm going to give you a bonus reason, which is going to be very useful, especially if you are a content creator. But first off, let's see what we get in the box. So out of the box, we get a storage pouch. We have a USB-C charging cable. We get a grip tripod. We get a magnetic phone clamp. And lastly, we get the gimbal itself. Okay, so one look at the Osmo Mobile SE and you can tell it's kind of bulky. So this device here actually weighs in around 352 grams and it can support a total weight between 170 grams to about 290 grams. And that is actually made possible by the magnetic phone clamp here. So the holding mechanism of the DJI Osmo SE is actually magnetic, so it uses this magnetic phone clamp here to hold on to your phone and then you attach it to the gimbal. So it's actually solid and trust me, I don't know, it can actually take almost every phone in 2024 and it's very solid and has a very firm grip on your phone as well. I'm currently shooting with the Osmo SE here, and I know most people get gimbals for the sake of vlogs or vlogging, but that is not the reason why I got the gimbal. But if you want to see a few vlogs from me, subscribe so you don't miss any of my future vlogs. I'll still think about it. And this leads to reason number one why I got the DJI Osmo Mobile SE. And that is shooting product B-rolls. Yes, so I used to shoot my B-rolls with my bare hands and my mobile phone. And my videos usually ended up shaky and very unusable. But with a dedicated gimbal with all its stabilizing features, I can now shoot better B-rolls for my YouTube videos, and this is supposed to up my video shooting and video editing game in the long run. Reason number two is actually price. So the Osmo Mobile SE is going for about 107 US dollars on AliExpress, while the Osmo Mobile 6 is going for about 170 US dollars. And this makes the Osmo Mobile SE a more budget friendlier option for people like me who are broke, but for people who are not actually looking to spend a lot on a gimbal, and this is more pronounced, especially since I'm a beginner here, spending much on a gimbal wouldn't really make that much sense. At that price point, are you really losing out on a lot of features or you are not? The Osmo Mobile SE retains about 90% functionality as the Osmo Mobile 6. So first off, let's start off with the software. So they both use the DJI Mimo app. They both have the same software updates as well. So out of the box, the Osmo Mobile SE ships with Active Track 5.0, but recently got updated to Active Track 6.0, which is the same for the Osmo Mobile 6. So when it comes to software, they are literally the same. They both have the same 4 gimbal modes, the FPV mode, and the rest. The only difference is actually with the extension rod. So the Osmo Mobile 6 comes with an extension rod, and with this, you can take some really amazing shots. And if you want to get a wider field of view, you also get the quick launch feature with the Osmo Mobile 6, which you don't get with the Osmo Mobile SE. That is very handy and very useful, especially when you want to take a quick shot of something that just pops up immediately, but you don't get that on the SE variant here. And that's all. Almost everything about the Osmo Mobile SE as compared to the 6 is the same. They both have the same carrying range of about 170 to 290 grams. They both have similar stabilization. Stabilization is almost the same, and you don't really lose out much using the Osmo Mobile SE. Reason number three is actually batteries. Personally, anytime I'm to make a decision on whether to get a tech gadget or not, I really look out for the battery life, battery experience, and even the size of the battery. So earlier I said the Osmo SE has a very bulky look, and the batteries is actually the reason why it has that look. So the Osmo Mobile SE comes with a 2600 milliamp hour battery, and that converts to about 8 hours of playtime or work time. But on the Osmo Mobile 6 is actually 1000 milliamp hour battery, 1000 milliamp hour battery, and that converts to about 6 hours and a few minutes of playtime. So as a beginner, this is very vital. Playtime or shoot time is very important to a beginner, since you spend more time trying to learn a few things about the device, and having a longer playtime is really good for someone like me who is obviously a beginner. And this will allow me to use the gimbal for extended periods of time without the battery dying out on me. The OM6 is actually for professionals who already know what they are doing with their gimbals. But as a beginner like me, having a longer playtime or work time is very vital in my learning curve or learning process. If you made it this far to the video, here is your bonus reason, especially for content creators. As a content creator myself, I shoot all my videos on my iPhone, and as we all know, the native camera app on iPhones doesn't really give you that sort of freedom to do a lot of things. But with the DJI Mimo app, you have access to your shutter speed, your ISO, and it even allows you to shoot at 25 frames per second. And that is very, very amazing. That's not all. The DJI Mimo app has a feature called gesture mode, and turning this on allows you to start recording your videos or take shots by making a simple gesture. And trust me, this saved me a ton of stress. Okay, so the last bonus I'm going to leave with you guys is the AI tracking feature on the DJI Osmo Mobile SE. So to activate the AI tracking, all you have to do is to simply drag your finger across your subject and you are good to go. So this feature works same on pets, objects, and moving subjects. And trust me, it always keeps you in frame and always gives you the best shot you can ever think of. So I actually use this when I'm actually moving around while shooting a video. And I think this is a very, very cool feature on the DJI Osmo Mobile SE. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, don't forget to subscribe, and share it with your loved ones. I'm Mr. Tony Elvis, and I'll see you guys in another video.